Yeah, basic box, standard Nike packaging. I ordered from Nike many times, and I am opening it up from the bottom. I didn't know I was doing that, but hey, it is what it is. It don't be open. So yeah, we got one box. Two box. Got some socks. All right, well, got me some socks. Match with my. I really got them because I like the green and the blue and the red and the yellow for my brand colors for my company, Striving Fitness. But yeah. So I guess we'll take a look at this one first. As you can see, right here we got the Nike Air Zoom SuperRep 3, size 13. And this is the, can you guys see? This is the white, silver, and the Volt green. I like that Volt green color. But yeah, let's check them out, man. I like these. I looked at these online, and I wanted to try them out. You look like a pretty sturdy shoe. Got some nice breathable mesh on the uppers. Feels pretty secure though, like it'll hold my foot down. Got some good cushioning around the ankle part. I've not seen too many shoes with this portion right here, so this will be interesting to see, how they hold up. But overall, this is a nice looking training shoe, man. Like, I really like the look of these, and I like them so much. I got them in 2 colorways, you feel me? But yeah, these are these. And yeah, we're gonna go on to the second pair. All right, family, we're on to our second pair. Let's see what we got. Like I told you before, I got 2 pair of the Nike Air Zoom SuperRep 3s. This right here is the black and blue colorway. So I like these. These go good with my branding colors. I can mix them up, and I'm gonna try them on and let y'all check the fit with both pairs on. And yeah, man, not too much to say that I didn't say about the first pair, but yeah, man, I'm gonna let you guys see how they look on foot with a. So check it out. Let's talk about something that's just as important as getting new pair of kicks: proper foot care. We all know that exercise is great for our bodies, but it's important to understand that our feet are our foundation for our bodies. Neglecting proper foot care can lead to a whole host of issues, including plantar fasciitis, shin splints, and even knee and back problems. So what can we do to take care of our feet? Well, for starters, make sure you're wearing the right type of shoes for the activities you're doing. Running shoes are designed to absorb the impact of running, while training and cross-training shoes are more versatile and can handle a lot more variety of activities. It's also important to make sure your shoes fit properly. An improper fitting shoe can be worse than wearing old shoes. You want to make sure your shoes are not too tight, because tight shoes can cause toenail damage, create blisters, and things like that. And you also don't want your shoes to be too loose. Loose fitting shoes could cause blisters on the bottom of your feet due to sliding. They could create instability and increase your risk of injury. And don't forget to replace your shoes. Over time, the cushioning wears out in the shoes and the shoes become less effective at preventing injuries. So make sure you inspect your sneakers, and replace them if you're getting a lot of good usage out of them. Your feet can really affect your entire body if they're not taken care of properly. So shoes are definitely an investment that I recommend, especially for my people who are active. All right, there you have it. We have the Nike Air Zoom SuperRep 3s. We have them in white, silver, and green. These shoes are perfect for a variety of activities with the cushioned soles that provide a lot of shock absorption, and their breathable mesh uppers will help keep your feet cool during those sweaty workouts. The SuperRep 3s also have a rubber outsole that provides good traction, which is important for preventing slips and falls during them workouts. All right, these are the two pairs we decided to go with. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer the white with the silver and the Volt green? Or do you like the blue and the black with the red? Man, let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite colorway. But yeah, we're gonna try these things on. Let me know what you think. Take care of your feet, man. Take care of your feet, man. You want to make sure your shoes fit good, and you want to make sure they ain't too worn out.